Hi, this is Dr. Harry Anderson with Total Feeds Incorporated, here to answer your common questions. My chickens are laying more eggs since I started feeding Total Bird and are eating less feed. Why did this happen? Well, two reasons. One is that the digestibility of Total Bird is so much better than most chicken feeds that you will buy because there are no whole grains and everything is very, very digestible, so they're getting more nutrients out of every pound they eat. The other reason is we have, by experience and listening to customers, figured out that our programs create a lot more fertility, and that they tend to, people tell us how they increase ovulation rate in sheep and goats and cows. Well, ovulation is what an egg is. It's an ovulation of an ova, and it's a typical reproductive process. So that is why they lay more eggs and they eat less feed.